Hey folks, and welcome to day one of Roll for Caffeine at Jay's Roastery, where we use dice to decide what coffee we're going to make today. And here is roll one. We're going to roll to see if there is chaos, and we're going to roll a d20 to see if it's odd or even, and we get an odd, which means we will have chaos today. And here is roll number two to see if we're doing a hot or a cold coffee, and we get a 2. That is a hot coffee today. And roll number 3 is going to be a d6 to see what type of coffee we make. That's a 2. We're making an espresso drink. Roll 4 to see which milk we're going to use today. D8. Whoops. And that is a 1, which means we're using dairy. And roll 5. What type of drink are we making? We are making 6. We're making a flat white. How many flavors are we going to put in there? Rolling a d4, we're going to put 2, which is 1. Roll number 7, let's see which flavor shot we're going to put in here. More flavors are coming soon. Going to roll a d20, and we get a 19. That is classic caramel. Now for roll 8, we're going to see what a d6 gives us for a top off. We're going to top that off with 4, which is chocolate sprinkles. And for our final roll, it's a d20 to decide what chaos we're going to get today. We have rolled a 12, and a 12 is marshmallows, something nice. Luckily it wasn't the Marmite, the Tabasco, pickles, or some of the difficult ones. Maybe we'll get those soon. Okay, this is the classic caramel going in the cup. Lovely. Now let's make some coffee with a hot espresso. So we will grind some of our fiction blend beans. This grind is for an espresso shot. We're going to tamp that, pop a cover on, and pour some espresso. Pull the lever down, let it pre-infuse for about 5 to 7 seconds, and then pour the shot. Whilst that finishes pouring, we'll get the milk ready. Half dairy. Oh, and it was just dairy. And we're making a flat white, so we don't need too much milk. Coffee's now ready. Steam the milk. That's our milk ready. Pour the coffee, and then we just need to add some chocolate sprinkles and some marshmallows. Oh no, ruined the latte art. Okay, we'll sprinkle on some chocolate. That's probably way too much. And a few marshmallows. Lovely. This is going to be way too sweet for me. I do not like a sweet coffee. I much prefer more acidic coffee. Let's give that a stir, and let's give that a try. Okay, that's really sweet. It's actually quite nice though. The classic caramel works quite well with the chocolate on top. The marshmallows change the texture a bit, and because we use a hand pull lever machine,